Do you like my hair? Do you know what colour it is?
White.
Oh, I guess it is white, but it's more of a grey. Grey. Look at your hair. Right, I need you to go back to Daddy so I can finish filming. Yes, because I've got all my equipment out. Look at the big studio light. Look how big it is. Hello, hello, hello. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing and little talk about the Zee.Elle wig, which I've recently picked up. So I've actually already done a video before, like I think it was like 2 years ago. And about a Zee.Elle wig, which is the exact same wig I've picked up. My partner very nicely got me this Zee.Elle wig for my birthday, which is in January. A little bit of a backstory as to why I've picked up this wig again. It's nothing to do with Zee.Elle themselves, it's all down to me. So I have the wig here. I absolutely love this box. And yeah, I've picked up the Ice wig, so that's meant to be like a silver grey toned wig. And yeah, I bought that I think like I'm gonna say 2 years ago. I could be wrong, I'm pretty sure it was, because COVID's made me like feel like 2020 didn't happen. I knew this. I knew dyeing a wig black was gonna be like a massive liability to the wig and my sanity. So I just stupidly tried to dye the wig and, you know, it didn't work out. So I had to put that wig aside. So I didn't really have that for a really long time. So I ruined the wig. It wasn't Zee.Elle or anything like that, it was all me. So then I just went back to black hair and this is my current wig. But yeah, so I've obviously shopped with Zee.Elle before and I have basically just bought the same wig again. And I just figured I may as well do a bit of an updated version of that video anyway. So yeah. So here is the box. Like, how beautiful is this box? I absolutely love the grey colour and I love the like pinky purple like reflective colour they've got on there. It's so nice. So you obviously open the box and inside is the units. I love this bag that it comes in. And then you also get, where have they gone? What? That's so weird. I'm sure I had 2 wig caps in there. No, how have they just, it's been opened as well. That's so creepy. Okay, 1 second. Like, I have not opened these and somehow it's opened and I don't have any wig caps inside. Either mine was a faulty batch or somehow somebody has taken it, a wig cap snatcher. That is so freaking weird. Oh well. So you do also get, I don't know what for Hairline is. It's 5 steps to restore your extensions, and I think that obviously includes, hopefully, your human hair wig as well, because essentially the same thing, isn't it, I guess. These are microwavable bags for your hair extensions or human hair wigs. If it's not for human hair wigs, someone please tell me before I like make somebody microwave their wig. But it gives you the instructions on the back. So on the back it literally tells you to just literally put the hair inside the bag in the microwave for like up to a minute. That is supposed to restore your human hair wig / extensions. It's setting my anxiety off without even doing it. It's just the thought of putting your hair into the microwave. So obviously the main piece in this box is the wig, and it does come in this beautiful like resealable bag, and she comes in this really interesting netting. So here she is. She's looking a little bit just, well, you know, just not got the best waves in her hair. It says me who's literally let these curls drop out and they just look a bit rough, but whatever. I can definitely tell you right now, the hair smells amazing, like so good. This is the hairline. I think this is going to be the most important part to show you right now. That is the hairline, and this is the inside of the cap. So it comes with an elastic band, which I absolutely love. And it does come with your bog standard adjustable straps at the bottom here. Yeah, it comes with a grip at the nape of the neck, and then 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3 on the top of your head. So throughout the hair, well, they've actually got wefts on the back as well. It feels so nice. Oh, I'm so excited to try this on. But yeah, it's got the wefts on the back as well, because it's not a full lace wig. It's just a frontal wig, so obviously I can parting it at the front of my head and have different partings and hairstyles. So let me get my phone because I just want to quickly talk about the wig. I just love the colour. I just want to talk a little bit about the actual details and the specs of the wig itself. Oh my goodness. Oh, the troll comes out. I absolutely hate my ears. Burning passion. So she's a little bit thinner than the wig I was just wearing. So yeah, I'll get into the specs in a minute once I've actually cut the lace. This is the hairline and how she looks pulled back. So yeah, I'll be back in literally a second. And I am back. So how nice does this look? I haven't styled the hair in any shape or form. I've just literally brushed out what was there. So this, wait, what? This side is looking really nice. This is the type of curls I would go for. This is as well, it's just a totally different waves in the body. So that's the best I can do for now. Yeah, I just don't have the time to curl or style the hair very well. Yeah, so please just ignore if the waves don't look the same. I've just literally glued mainly here, just like an inch of lace here, just because I'm not too fussed if you can see like a lift anywhere right now, because I'm just showing you guys how it looks on me, if anything, and just how I'm feeling with it. I guess I'm loving it. It does open up my face a little bit more than black does, instead of it like closing in, even though black is my natural hair colour. Crazy, isn't it? Okay, so let me go through the specs of this wig and a little bit of an opinion I've got so far on it. So I got the small cap, which is 21.5 inches. So the hair material is pure Cambodian human hair. The length, I got 22 inches. I always get 22 inches. Let me actually get up a second. So I am not 7 foot, oh my god, no. I am 5'7". This goes past my boobs and it just sits towards the bottom of my rib cage, I'd say. So that's it from the side. The hair density is 180%, so that's usually quite thick. This is actually a really good density on me. I feel like my wig, the black one that I was wearing, I feel like that was 150 or 180. I always get 150. I might have got a little bit more just this one time for the black one, but this one is 180 density. And it's different to the other wig. It is thinner, I'm not gonna lie, but it is a perfect density for me. I just feel like because I've got such a small head, it just helps. Okay, so the cap construction is a lace front wig, and so that just means I've got the wefts in the back, and that usually does give you a little bit more volume in the hair. So I mean, that's quite a nice deep parting, I'm not gonna lie. I probably won't manipulate this for a long time because I really like how they've properly like smoothed that down. I am so bad for the parting. I mean, if you saw my black wig before and the start of this video, you can see I need to put more effort into it, I guess, but I really like the parting in space. So it says on their website that the hair's natural texture is straight. So I can't say if this is good to curl. I'm gonna guess it is, but I haven't curled this hair. This is just its natural state from the box and brushing it out. The lace colour is transparent, so it says it should match any skin colour, and that's what transparent lace does. So yeah, it's a glueless cap construction as well. I'm not too sure how well that can be true. I guess some wigs are really good at that, but my head is just, I think it is smaller than 21.5 inches. Or just how I do my hair underneath the wig cap will change how it fits. So I put glue on myself just because I have to make sure. Also, I have a toddler, so essentially I don't need her pulling down on my hair and weighing it off my head. I'll probably use like a purple toner just to bring out the grain silver down the line, because over time with the grey wigs I've had before, they do lose a little bit of their colour. I love the texture and quality of this hair. It's so smooth, so silky, and I remember that from the same wig, the Ice wig I got 2 years ago. I just remember how good the quality was. So I'm really excited to curl this hair and just play around with it. Yeah, in my last wig I did say I'd do like an update, and I never did. but I'm gonna try my hardest to do like a 6-month update with this one. If not 6 months, I will do a year, which is so far from now, but I will definitely aim for a 6-month one. Oh, I do want to add as well that as a company, Zee.Elle have been really good. So I ordered this like late November, and Zee.Elle did say the delivery time would be around February 2022. So I was like, you know what, fair enough, I'm not in a rush for this wig or anything. But lo and behold, it came a few days before Christmas, 21 of course. So yeah, that is it for my video today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you do have any questions about this wig or anything that's on your mind, I guess, if you need someone to talk to, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! Do you like my hair colour?
Hello.
Hello. Look at your little face. Should we blow kisses to the camera? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's blue, isn't it, baby? That's my backlight. Oh.